My name is Ana Yaiza. I am from Spain. I have 10 years old. My birthday is the 6th of February. I have brown hair. I have brown eyes. I have long hair and I am tall. I like deepening. My favorite subject is language. I love animals. I like tennis. My favorite food is pizza. My best friends are Lucia and Andrea. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. My mom's name is Rosa Maria. My dad's name is Miguel Angel. My mom's like cooking and reading. And my dad's like reading and painting. And my mother and father work in a shop. My brother name is Abel. He is in the high school. He has 16 years old. He likes music. When he grows up, he wants to be a teacher of PE. Bye bye.
My